Mind-growing habits. Millionaire secrets revealed. Each habit serves as a building block for a flourishing life. Join us on this journey of discovery, where we unravel the hidden secrets intertwined with habits that propel financial success and personal development. Number 1. Eliminate clutter. Maintaining a clutter-free environment is a mind-growing habit that significantly impacts focus and productivity. By simplifying your physical space, you create a mental space for clarity and creativity. Decluttering involves organizing your belongings to foster a harmonious atmosphere that allows clear thinking and better decision-making. Start by getting rid of unnecessary items and organizing your space to create a conducive environment for personal and professional growth. As you remove physical clutter, you'll likely find a sense of calm and focus, making it easier to prioritize tasks and accomplish goals. Remember that decluttering is an ongoing process, and regularly reassessing your space helps maintain a positive and organized mindset. 2. Continuous learning. A key to unlocking your full potential. This involves regularly engaging with new information, whether through reading books, taking courses, or seeking knowledge from various sources. Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp and opens doors to new opportunities and perspectives. Embrace the idea that education doesn't end with formal schooling. It's a lifelong journey of exploration and discovery that can enrich every aspect of your life. Make learning a part of your daily routine, setting aside time for reading, exploring online courses, or engaging in discussions with people who have different perspectives. The more you invest in expanding your knowledge, the more equipped you become. 3. Critical thinking. A powerful skill that allows you to navigate the complexities of life with discernment. Cultivate this habit by questioning assumptions, analyzing information, and considering alternative perspectives. It's about approaching situations with an open and inquisitive mind, enabling you to make decisions and solve problems effectively. Hone your critical thinking skills to empower yourself to face challenges head-on, and navigate the ever-changing landscape of the world with confidence. Practice active listening and seek to understand different viewpoints, fostering a mindset that values diverse perspectives and encourages collaborative problem-solving. Critical thinking not only enhances your decision-making abilities but also contributes to your personal and professional growth. 4. Creativity. A mind-growing habit that fuels innovation and original thinking. Engage in activities that encourage creativity, such as art, writing, or problem-solving exercises. Allow yourself the freedom to explore unconventional ideas and think outside the box. Creativity is a fundamental skill that can be applied in various aspects of your life, from tackling challenges at work to finding unique solutions to personal issues. Experiment with different creative outlets, whether it's trying a new artistic medium, brainstorming ideas with others, or approaching problems from unconventional angles. By nurturing your creative instincts, you not only enhance your problem-solving abilities, but also bring a unique perspective to every aspect of your life. 5. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive mindset is a crucial mind-growing habit that shapes overall well-being. Positivity doesn't mean ignoring challenges but rather approaching them with optimism and resilience. Cultivate positive affirmations, surround yourself with uplifting influences, and focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. A positive outlook improves mental health and enhances the ability to overcome obstacles and achieve goals. Practice gratitude daily, acknowledging the positive aspects of your life, and celebrate small victories along the way. By fostering a positive mindset, you not only improve your own well-being but also contribute to a more positive and supportive environment for those around you. Ready to transform your financial future? Join us at BraylenAV.com and access the tools for financial success. Subscribe today and embark on your journey to wealth. 6. Prioritize health. Prioritizing health is a fundamental mind-growing habit that forms the cornerstone of overall well-being. It involves making conscious choices to maintain a healthy lifestyle, incorporating regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep into your routine. Taking care of your physical health not only boosts energy levels but also enhances mental and emotional resilience. Consider adopting small, sustainable changes such as incorporating physical activity into your daily routine, making nutritious food choices, and ensuring you get enough rest. Prioritizing health is feeling good and ensuring you have the vitality to tackle life's challenges with vigor. 7. Reflection. Reflection is more than just a review of events, it's an opportunity to gain understanding and learn from your journey. Allocate moments for self-reflection, whether through journaling or quiet contemplation. Analyze your successes and setbacks, identify patterns, and use these reflections to refine your goals and decision-making. By making reflection a regular practice, you create a foundation for continuous improvement and self-awareness. 8. Effective communication. Work on refining your verbal and nonverbal communication skills to convey your thoughts with clarity and empathy. Practice active listening, seek to understand others' perspectives, and be mindful of your body language. Effective communication is a two-way street that fosters stronger relationships, both personally and professionally. By honing your communication skills, you become better equipped to collaborate, resolve conflicts, and build meaningful connections with those around you. 9. Resilience. Building resilience is a key mind-growing habit that empowers you to face challenges head-on, learn from setbacks, and bounce back stronger. Resilience is not about avoiding difficulties, but developing the ability to navigate through them with strength and adaptability. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, cultivate a positive mindset in the face of adversity, and learn from each experience. By building resilience, you develop a mental fortitude that helps you overcome obstacles and contributes to your personal and professional development. 10. Financial literacy. Educating yourself about personal finance, budgeting, and investing is a crucial mind-growing habit that enables you to make healthy decisions about your financial well-being. Take the time to understand the basics of managing money, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals, and explore investment options to build wealth over time. Financial literacy empowers you to plan for the future and achieve greater stability. By incorporating financial education into your personal growth journey, you gain the tools to navigate the complexities of the wealth world and secure a more prosperous future. The journey through mind-growing habits reveals a roadmap not only to financial success, but to a well-rounded and fulfilling life. Millionaire secrets highlight the key to prosperity, a growth mindset that embraces challenges, values continuous learning and thrives in the face of change. These habits extend beyond the realm of monetary, touching every facet of personal development. The exploration of Millionaire secrets underscores the importance of adaptability and creativity in navigating life's challenges. The ability to question assumptions, think critically, and stay curious becomes powerful for success. Moreover, fostering a sense of gratitude, both for achievements and the positive aspects of life, contributes to a mindset of abundance and contentment. Millionaire success goes beyond finance, embracing personal growth and a mindset of continual improvement. In essence, the mind-growing habits unveiled here serve as a guide for anyone aspiring not only to financial prosperity, but to a life rich in purpose, resilience and fulfillment. By adopting these transformative practices, individuals can embark on a lifelong journey of self-discovery, unlocking their true potential and crafting a legacy that extends far beyond material wealth.